The simple interest at x% for x years will be rupees x on a sum of. So what is asked to you basically? On a sum of means principal is asked. Simple interest. Now what is the formula for simple interest? PNR upon 100. Right? What is P? P is required. On a sum of means P is required. N is the period for x years. So SI equals to x, N equals to x, and R is given as x%. Now we require P. So formula is x equals to P into x upon 100. Right? We are just inputting these values. So 1x gets cancelled and P remains over here, and 100 goes on this side, x goes on this side. Right? Getting it? See here, 1x getting cancelled, 100 on this side and this x on this side. So it goes in the numerator, 100 goes in the x goes in the denominator, 100 goes in the numerator. So P equals to 100 upon x. That is